want to announce to you that Friday, the 27th of September, will be a public holiday known as Julien Alfred Day.
Images that will be replayed in St. Lucia again and again and again.
She became in 2018 the first St. Lucian to win a medal at the Youth Olympic Games with a 100-meter silver in Argentina. But this, of course, tops all of that and everything else she has ever done in her career. What a moment for Julien Alfred, 23 years old, in June, and a huge career still ahead of her.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you can, please stand for the anthem.